It's not screwed in at all, it's just clipped into place. So what you do is you pull out, because there's a clip on this side, so you pull out and down. As you can see, it's starting to sag away. This whole thing will sag away. And this also has the footwell light on it as well, right here, that you can see, hopefully. And this will just come out and down, and it continue to work that piece out and down and away. Be careful with this. You can always unplug the footwell light that's right here, which I just did, so you don't have to worry about banging that up. So you can get this out and down, and then everything else we're going to get behind. You can see the duct right here. What we're going to get to is all back behind this duct. So it's going to be a little bit more difficult to show, but I'll pull the camera off and I'll show what we're looking at as we go through it. But for most of the takeoff, we're already there. It's just a matter of kind of getting into place to get to the FSU, which is right there at this point. So I was able to get the final stage unit out. And so I'm going to have to show you what I did rather than kind of do it play by play. So first of all, you can tell it's the older style one. It's never been replaced before. It's the big pins, big barrels, and very likely the cause of my fan problems. So this duct is directly in the way. And you would laugh, I'm actually laying on my passenger side seat upside down right at the moment to get my head underneath the dash and get some light in here.